All right, guys, we've got the Softale Professional Nail Clippers kit. This is a 7-in-1 kit, and this is actually a professional podiatrist level kit. So let's look through what we got. First thing we have is an extremely high quality nail clipper with a file on it. So you can file your nails there. It's also honestly, if I'm being honest with you, this is the highest quality, sturdiest nail clippers I've used. I've got some cheaper ones. These are way nicer than those. You also have the angled tool. This allows you to easily, if you got ingrown toenails or toenails or nails that are like growing at a weird angle where you have to be careful how you cut, you have this angled cut here. That's what allows you to kind of get in there better. So that's super useful. Let's put that back. I like that it's in a nice little kit. You also have your scissors if you need that. And you've got 4 more tools that I'm just going to get out here in a second. That scissors also is sharp, so they're ready to go. You've got this tool right here. These are for like helping you with like ingrown toenails, like pushing them out and things like that. So we've got these 2 units right here. We also have a standalone nail file. So on both sides, that's got a file on it. And we have this unit as well, kind of for getting right in the edges. You've got 2 sides to that. So I like that this is a kit dedicated to this stuff. So if you just need basic, if you just need basic nail clippers, honestly, I think this works for that because straight up the number I'm seeing on the product page there, it's like worth it just for a high quality nail clipper, but you get everything here. I mean, you get everything you need in this kit, and here's the cool thing about it. Zip it up, put it away in your storage drawer, and it's ready for a naily day.